Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Koho. Is it a bank? Before we get into that, let's talk about what a bank is. A bank is a financial institution that provides services such as accepting deposits, making loans, and issuing credit cards. Banks are regulated by the government, and they are typically insured by the government as well. Now that we know what a bank is, let's talk about Koho. Koho is a fintech company that offers a number of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, a credit card, and a high-yield savings account. Koho is not a bank, but it does partner with banks to provide its services. What are the benefits of using Koho? There are a number of benefits to using Koho. One benefit is that Koho offers a number of cashback rewards programs. For example, you can get cashback when you shop at certain retailers, eat at certain restaurants, or book travel through Koho. Another benefit of using Koho is that it offers a number of travel perks. For example, you can get free airport lounge access and priority boarding when you fly with certain airlines. Koho also offers a number of banking features, such as the ability to set up automatic savings transfers and to track your spending. What are the drawbacks of using Koho? There are also some drawbacks to using Koho. One drawback is that Koho's fees can be higher than the fees charged by traditional banks. For example, Koho charges a monthly fee for its credit card. Another drawback is that Koho is not as widely accepted as traditional banks. This means that you may not be able to use your Koho card at some stores or restaurants. Is Koho right for you? Whether or not Koho is right for you depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a way to earn cashback and travel perks, then Koho may be a good option for you. However, if you're looking for a bank that is widely accepted and has low fees, then Koho may not be the best option for you. So, is Koho a bank? No, Koho is not a bank. It is a fintech company that offers a number of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, a credit card, and a high-yield savings account. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Additional information. Here are some additional things to consider when deciding whether or not to use Koho. Koho is available in the United States and Canada. Koho is free to join. Koho offers a number of different cashback categories, including dining, travel, and groceries. Koho offers a number of travel perks, including free airport lounge access and priority boarding. Koho offers a number of banking features, such as the ability to set up automatic savings transfers and to track your spending. Koho charges a monthly fee for its credit card. Koho is not as widely accepted as traditional banks. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Koho, please visit their website or follow them on social media. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial content. I'll see you next time.